O eto mga kadinatics, nilabas na ngayon lang sa Kamara yung mga senators na involved sa flood control project na allegedly kumuha daw ng pera sa isang DPWH official mga kadinatics na si Alcantara. I don't know the full name. Eto na nga, si Engineer Bryce, ang ex-DPWH official mga kadinatics, nilaglag na si Joel Villanueva at itong si Jinggoy Estrada. Gaano kaya katotoo mga kadinatics? Eto, panoorin natin.
So the previous question of Engineer Hernandez is an assurance of safety and security. The committee commits to your safety and the safety of your family. We will coordinate with the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to ensure that you may remain with the House. So within the day, we will speak with our Senate counterparts to make...
Grabe, no? Di ba? Ngayon, pwede na sila makipag-usap sa Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman kasi paapit na nila yung nilagay nila doon. Nung si Senator Marcoleta pa mga kadinatics, hindi nila magagawa yan. They will speak daw sa Blue Ribbon Committee. See? Grabe talagang laruan nito mga kadinatics. Isa lang taong nag-o-orchestrate nito. At alam naman natin yung nasa palace. Ngayon, pilit nilang i-hold tong si Engineer Bryce para hindi pa makapagkanta mga kadinatics ng ibang mga tao, especially mga congressmen. Ang nangyayari dito, pag yung witnesses mga kadinatics dalhin sa Senado, yung mga congressman naman yung mga pinapangalanan. Pag dalhin sa Kamara mga kadinatics, yung mga senadors yung pinapangalanan. Grabe! Alam naman natin talaga kung sino talaga yung mga gahaman ng mga corrupt na mga officials, politicians. Nasa Kamara talaga. Pero pilit na nagte-take revenge itong Kamara for their own benefits mga kadinatics na parang to the point na parang scripted na yung mga ginagawa nila. Ngayon pinipilit talaga nila. Grabe talaga.
With the House.
Pwede ba yan? What the heck?
For as long as needed.
For as long as needed. Pag hindi ka na kailangan nila, itsapuera ka na. Yan yung mga kadinatics.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Congressman Adyong is recognized, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'd just like to take off from the line of questioning of Congressman Garbin. Engineer Bryce, binigyan ka namin ng oras. You requested for a few minutes para to confer with your lawyers. Are you ready now to answer this question? Sabi mo kanina may mga involved na mga senador. Tama po ba ang pagkarinig ko?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, kanina sinabi mo na mga involved na senador. Ibig sabihin, kasi the line of questioning kanina is that you were receiving a certain amount from Sally Santos. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At binibigay niya ito sa iyo sa inyong opisina. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
In fact, there's one incident that was mentioned by Sally Santos in the Senate na 245 million yung isang natatandaan niya na ibigay niya sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Itong 245, just a portion of that, because according to you, from 2022 up to 2025, your estimate is that it's over $1 billion na yung natanggap mo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Approximately.
Okay, sige. So binibigay mo to kay Engineer Alcantara. Tama po?
Hindi ko po binibigay. Kinukuha niya
kinukuha, sorry. Kinukuha ni Alcantara. Nakabox nga po, sabi niyo nga po, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pag sinabi mong may involved, ibig sabihin logic would dictate and you don't need to be a rocket scientist para to assume that yung binibigay ay may hati-hati. Tama po ba? May breakdown.
Yes po, Your Honor. Sinasabi niya po, kinukuha na yung commitment.
Commitment na ano ibig sabihin commitment? Yung kaninong hatian yon?
Kung ako po mag-interpret, commitment po para kay Senator.
Okay. May we know sino yung mga sinasabi mong mga kumukuha or may commitment sa mga senador? Kasi you mentioned this earlier before we grant you the request of having a recess, suspended. May we know who are these sinasabi mong may mga involved na mga senador?
Okay lang po bang basahin ko, Your Honor, kung ano lang po yung naisulat ko? Pero pinapangako ko naman po sa inyo na ang full details ito maibibigay po sa written statement namin ng mga abogado ko.
Mr. Chair, our guest is requesting that he be allowed to read. Ito ba yung salaysay mo na pinirmahan mo? Tama po ba? Ito ba yung tinatanong sa'yo kanina ni Congressman Garbin?
Yes po, sinulat po at pinirmahan ko rin po.
Okay. Mr. Chair, may we request that he be allowed to read his salaysay, his statement, which is I.
Engineer Hernandez, please proceed.
Thank you.
And of course, mga kadonatics, tikom ang bibig ng mga corrupt na mga gahaman na to sa kay Saldico na siniwalat nito bitiyan ko kahapon. Di ba? Bilyon-bilyon yon mga kadonatics. Look at that, mga kadonatics, patay mali tong mga, ay nako, congressman na to. Ngayon, ang pilit na igigit nila ngayon, yung mga senatorial allies of the Dutertes, mga kadonatics, like Jinggoy, Villanueva, at iba pa. Grabe, sobra talaga. Saan yung script mo? Sige, hanapin mo muna. Hugas kamay, no?
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project.
Buti na
Base po
nakalabas.
sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon.
Mhm.
Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon.
Mhm. May pa-trailing pa tong one ugok na corrupt din.
Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva,
See? Duterte allies.
Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan.
Sige, script mo sana.
At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate phase 3 sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan. Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat to. Isasama ko po to sa aking written statement.
No, mahalaga pong basahin yung buong listahan ng mga proyekto.
Sige po,
These are
Your
the line items that everyone has been talking about, so I think the nation deserves to know which particular line items that are in the GAA that are being implemented for these particular personalities.
Mr. Chair, may I also request that he be directed to read the entirety of his salaysay?
Yes.
And not to select a portion of his salaysay. Para
Yes,
po
he will.
klaro.
I think he will be required to read the entire, but we need the specific line item.
Ay, wala talagang dignidad itong kamara, mga kadonatics. Napaka-plastikan talaga lahat. Napansin nyo, mga kadonatics, yung mga kunting halaga lang yung iniimbestigahan nila dito. Hindi bilyon-bilyon na sangkot yung mga congressman. Di ba? Ay, nako.
General Appropriations Act to be able to tie these particular projects to political personalities, not just DPWH engineers, not just contractors. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, may I also ask that the amounts also be read?
Yes,
I think
if
it's important that the public will also know the
yes,
amounts.
if it is available, Engineer Hernandez, please mention the amount as well.
Mr. Chair, saglit na interjection lang. After the statement of Sir Bryce, may we have the copy of his statement para po makapagtanong din yung mga members based on his ongoing statement, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
If that is practicable, Deputy Speaker, we will ask him to do it, but it is a written, handwritten statement. So I think we have to listen to his entire salaysay first. Please proceed with the line items, please.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten statement.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
Naniniwala ba kayong scripted to mga Kadinatics? Or talagang sangkot din si Jinggoy Estrada? Di ba? Pero we are talking millions here mga Kadinatics. At of course, ito na yung pagtutuunan nila ng pansin. Kasi yung sangkot, hindi kalyado nila. Hindi galing sa kamara. Yung billions na binanggit ni Tobit Yanko na si Saldico at iba pa, Romualdez, mga Kadinatics. Siguradong hindi matatakil yan dito. Magpo-focus yan sila sa millions, rather than billions ang nawala.
Let him finish the handwritten statement. Tapos lang po yung handwritten statement ng pagbasa.
Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. As per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. I-deliver ito nung lumabas ang mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver sa kausap nila. Si Christian Santiago at saka si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman, ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. If I'm not mistaken, sorry. Pwede ko sabihin ko po kung anong mga projects to, mga line item din.
Please proceed with disclosing the line items so the nation may able to tie the line item to the political personality involved.
First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Panginay, Tuwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4, plus 204 to Station 4, plus 354, at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawi River flood mitigation structure at Station 3 plus 036 to Station 3 plus 236 at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawi, Bulacan. Construction of this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawi River flood mitigation structure at Station 5 plus 466 to Station 5 plus 667 at Barangay Bunlo, Bukawi, Bulacan, with also an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River flood mitigation structure at Station 3 plus 533 to Station 3 plus 683 at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River flood mitigation structure at Station 7 plus 654 to Station 7 plus 804 at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And last is the construction of Balagtas River flood mitigation structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos, and all in all with a total of 600 million pesos.
Can you state again for the record the total amount, and that this is the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
Thank you. Please proceed with your handwritten statement.
I mean, lahat ng mga korap, mga kadonatics, maging kaalyado man yan ng mga Duterte or hindi, basta korap, mga kadonatics, ay dapat lang managot. Pero wag lang sana na scripted tong mga ginagawa nila, kasi parang bumabawi sila kung ano yung nangyayari sa Senado. Yun lang ang ayaw natin, mga kadonatics. Bumabawi sila. Dito, mga senador yung mga pinipinpoint. Doon, mga congressmen na talagang alam naman natin na hudas talaga. Di ba? Sana lang, lalabas yung totoo talaga. Let's keep on praying and hoping.
SOP nito ay 30% din. Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawi ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction, si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito. At least 3% po siya sa lahat ng projects na dumadaan sa opisina namin. At pinapasabi pa nga sa amin sa mga kontraktor na kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng maraming project sa susunod, ay magbigay kayo ng additional na 2% sa kanya. Parang finder's fee daw. Si D.E. Henry Alcantara po ang usually nagde-deliver sa mga politiko at kay Yusek Robert Bernardo po. Pasensya na po, ito pa lang po ang aking mga masasabi sa ngayon. Mabigyan lang po ako ng sapat na oras pagkakataon na makausap ang aking mga abogado. Handa na po akong maglabas ng lahat ng nalalaman ko pa. Maraming salamat po.
Isama mo na yung mga congressman na sa kamara. Kasi, for sure, mga kadonatics, meron at meron talaga yan. Knowing na ang daming binanggit doon sa Senado, mga kadonatics, na mga congressmen sa House of Representatives na sangkot. Ang mangyayari niyan is, since ang Kongreso mag-a-adapt sa kanya, yung HOR, talagang hindi babanggitin ang mga congressmen dito, mga kadonatics, sa kamara. Ay, nako. Grabe. Pasensya na sa boses, mga kadonatics, sa iba lang yung panahon. Thank you so much, mga kadonatics, and please comment down below on your opinion. Babasahin natin yan. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.